How many hours of sleep do you average per night? Tulog, less than 5 hours, 6 to 7, more than 9, 5 to 6, 7 to 9. Yan. So kung 5 to 6, I think 5 to 6 siya. Are you tired most of the day? Kahit ba wala kang ginagawa, pagod ka? Yes or no? Oh. Okay? How often do you feel stressed? Gaano ka kadalas ma-stress? Rarely, madalang na madalang. Paminsan-minsan, na-stress ako sa mga bill ko, lalo na pag andyan na si Judith na bumibisita. Ayan, sometimes, often, ayan, yung madalas, ito yung every single day, stress ka. Often, I'm always stressed. Ito naman, mas grabe, I'm always stressed. Kung ito, every other day, ito, every single day. Ayan, so mamili po kayo. Siguro ilagay natin sometimes. Ini-stress siya ng kanyang mama. Pag napapagalitan, ilagay natin stress. Baka na-stress yung anak ko sa akin. Do you currently take any nutritional supplements? Yes or no? O kung wala kang tinitake, no. Kung may tinitake ka, yes. Okay? And then, please check all the supplements you are currently using. So, kung ang ginagamit mo lang multivitamin, then click that. Vitamin D. Yan. I don't think nagtitake siya. Magnesium, yes. And also, protein, yes. Ayan. So, yan yung tinitake niya. Yung tatlong yan. Okay? Collagen, hindi. Aminos, hindi. Ayan. So, yung tatlong yan. And then, kung may other, gumagamit siya ng creatine. So, other products pala. Yan. And then, next. Are you currently taking any prescription medication? Halimbawa po, meron kayong mga maintenance. Yan. Yes or no? How often do you participate in activities with others? Yan. Kung meron kayong mga gigs, mga tropa-tropa, yan. Sometimes, most days, rarely to never. Sometimes. Okay, do you often feel lonely or isolated? Malungkutin ka ba? Kahit na hindi nakakalungkot. Diba? Yan. No, he's always happy. Do you live within a mile from a golf course or highway? Kinakount pala yun, ano? So, yes. Do you have an attached garage with a car parked in it? So, meron bang garahe outside, dyan sa yung malapit sa bahay na may nakapark na car? Yes or no? Okay, do you have exposure to hazardous materials at work or at home? So, halimbawa, pag halimbawang nasa utility ka or ano ba yung tawag doon? Sa mga services ka, exposed ka ba sa work mo? No? Yes or no yan? Okay? No? What best describes you? I can't get bigger or gain muscle. Nahirapan akong lumaki or mag-gain ng muscle. Kahit na anong buhat ang gagawin ko. I am skinny fat. I look slim in clothes, but I do have body fat. I'm happy with my body, but need to lose one last layer of fat. I am not happy with my body and want to lose a serious amount of weight. So ito siya, dito, I'm happy but need to lose one last layer of fat. Ayan. And then we want, ito na yung last question, no? So dito, we want to help you absolutely crush your goal, but it's only going to work if you are committed. So hinihingi na ngayon yung commitment mo. I don't know. I think I am ready. It's time I'm ready. So mini-measure ngayon kung gaano ka committed in case na bibigyan ka ni Doc Ryan ng recommendations. So now, diba, tapos na tayo dun sa awareness and then sa interest kasi engage na tayo. Now we are coming up with a decision. What is that? Ito na yung stage na yon. So, mini-measure ngayon, ano yung commitment mo? Are you ready na i-commit ang sarili mo if we have some recommendations with you? So, makikita mo ngayon gaano ka-commit yung iyong prospect, your prospective customer. Okay, so if you are ready, really, really ready, and it's time, I'm ready, I think. Kasi ditong I think, sa tingin ko. So, hindi siya 100% sure, di ba? Pero ito, mas strong yung statement, it's time I'm ready. Ibig sabihin, wala siyang pag-aalinlangan. So, mas committed ito. Okay? It's time I'm ready. Now, how quickly do you want to achieve your goals? Tinatanong. Slow and steady, as fast as possible, somewhere between the two. Siyempre tayo, ang gusto natin, somewhere between the two, right? I'm sorry, as fast as possible. So, dito tayo. Siyempre, we take action, di ba? Let's get things done as fast as possible. Yan. And then, eto na. So, eto na yung sinasabi ko po na dito yung data mo, collective data. Kung hindi ka affiliate, tatanungin yung first name, fill upan mo yung first name and last name, and your email address. So, ibig sabihin, nakuha mo na ngayon yung data. Pero ang sinasabi dito, diba yung mga iba ayaw ibigay ang email. Ang sinasabi dito, this device is currently logged into account. O, so, nakikita, ayan, to continue as this account, fill out the form below. So, pag, ano ko pala, affiliate ka na at meron ka nilagay na email address, ito na yung ano niya, user ID. So, ito yon pag affiliate kayo, makikita, no? So, pwede po itong gawin nyo sa sarili nyo, please, bago nyo i-send para mas, effective kayo as a sponsor and mas reliable kayo, no? Ayan. And then, after that, so, ito na yung stage ngayon na kinukulit mo yung data ng iyong ng iyong prospect indirectly, hindi niya alam na pupunta yan sa'yo. And then, ito na, congratulations on taking the first step to a healthier you. Yan, you're ahead of the game. Now, it's time to dive into your personal and health report. So, andito po ito, at the same time, i-email ka ni LiveGood. At pag na-email ka, automatic, yung prospect mo mag-a-appear na ngayon sa my referrals mo. And then, click Get My Results. Ito na. Okay, so nakalagay na yung kung ilang taon ka, name, ilang taon siya, nasa 20s. Overall health score is 66 over 100. Ano ang sinasabi nito? Based on your responses, your health score is 66. This is good news for two reasons. It means you're taking action early to get a head start on your goal before your conditions get worse. And number 2, so sinasabi na niya ano yung relevance ng score mo. There's a lot of room for improvement to achieve your goals and we're excited to get you there. So makikita mo the script that being sent here, makikita na you are showing concern. I mean, LiveGood is showing concern. So ito na, yung body mass index niya is 19.20. So mataas pa yun. Having a high BMI can put your body at a much higher risk of cardiovascular disease, diabetes, joint problems, respiratory issues, liver disease, reproductive issues, mental health challenges, even cancer, and a shortened lifespan. You definitely want to make this a focus to maximizing your health, and you're ready to take the first step, which is educating yourself. Now it's time to take action. So, ang ideal weight niya is 152. So, kailangan niyang mag-increase, no? Kasi 130, kailangan pa niya ng another 22 pounds. So, ito yung ideal dapat na weight niya. Maintaining an ideal body weight is crucial or very important for reducing the risk of chronic diseases such as heart disease, diabetes, but will also better physical function, mental well-being, and overall quality. Striving for a healthy weight supports longevity and enhance one's ability to engage in daily activities. Ayan. So, ano sinasabi nito? It will serve as your baseline when it comes to recommending solutions like protein intake, sinasabi na niya, hydration goals, so kailangan niyang mag-hydrate, and factors in each assessment. So, napakaganda, di ba? Ayan, okay. Are you loving it? Ayan, so exercise and activity level, moderate siya. So sinasabi din kung ano ang ibig sabihin ng moderate na result mo. Ayan, so correlation between activity level and overall health. In simple terms, the more active you are, the healthier you are. If you are serious about taking